Okay, yes. Square root means the following. If I have this symbol and you put a number under it, right? So let's say, for example, 9. Okay, so you guys, okay, so Jordan, you're like saying it's 3. You know it's 3 because this is what goes in your mind. If you square what, you get a number inside. What number do you square, you get a number inside. And it's clearly 3, right? 3 squared is 9. Okay. Okay, so this actually means the same thing as this. Okay. Except this has to be positive. Okay, so I mean, I think in grade 7 we don't have to be worried so much. We're only dealing with positive numbers. Okay, positive. So you have to understand that this right here is exactly the same thing as this. Okay, let's try one more. What's square root of, let's say, 25? 5. Okay, one more. What's square root of 121?
11.
Ooh, good. 11 squared is 121. So okay, so you guys know this, right?
Isn't basically like this, what times what equals that?
Yeah, so let me introduce some fractions. What's square root of 9 over 4?
2 over
3 over 2. Right, so if you square 3, you get 9. If you square 2, you get 4, right? So it's 3 over 2.
Oh.
What about square root of 0.01?
Wow.
So do you guys remember how to multiply 0.1s? If I multiply 0.1 times by 0.1, what happens? You gain 1 decimal, right? You get 0.001, right? Like that. So this answer is 0.1.
Oh, okay.
Right? Because if you do 0.1 times 0.1, you get 0.01. Okay? It's tricky when it gets like that, right? Okay, so I'm gonna just stop there. I mean, we're gonna need how to square root things, okay? When we're dealing with Pythagorean theorem. But obviously, most of the square roots, for example, root 3, it's not possible for you to come up with a nice number.
1.5.
No, it's gonna be smaller than, maybe around 1.5. Okay, but it's really hard to do it in our head. Okay, you have to just guess. You just go, oh, maybe let me square 1.2, right? Let me square 1.5 and see if I get 3. And so on. You have to guess. Okay, it's very, very hard. So we usually use a calculator for that. Okay.